Dust them high, dust them low. Dust those walls, here we go. Hi everyone and welcome to a Creatively Crafted Life Spring Clean Challenge. I hope you are all ready to get into those areas of our craft spaces that need a little bit of TLC. Before we get started, I want to lay out some ground rules, so to speak, for this month. This is a judgment-free zone, and I'm always one to keep it real. My space has a few cobwebs and some dust. It definitely needs some cleaning TLC. The point isn't could've, would've, or should've. Instead, the past is the past, and today we are where we are, and we are heading forward and not looking back. If you're already on top of keeping your space spick and span, way to go. And for those of you that march to my speed, hopefully this month will encourage you to do a little spring cleaning. This challenge is meant to encourage in a fun way. Negativity and criticism is going to be swept away with the dust. As you could tell from today's prompt, we are going to be dusting the walls, getting rid of any dust and cobwebs that are hanging out. Start high and work your way down is a good rule of thumb. I like to use a Swiffer duster with an extended handle to tackle this job. Let me know below if you have any tips or tricks that you like to use. Be sure to come back tomorrow for day 2's prompt. See you then.